In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on the Revolut app. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to the Play Store, and you want to make sure you've got the most up-to-date version of Revolut. So if you open up the Play Store and search for Revolut using the search box at the top, and if you do have the most up-to-date version of Revolut, it's going to say open. Now, if there is an update available, then this blue button here is going to say update. So you want to make sure you've got the most up-to-date version of Revolut. And then once that's done, go ahead and open up the app on your device. So once you've opened up Revolut and you're logged into your account, what you're going to want to do is, if you look at the bottom, you're going to see the icon for crypto. So you want to go ahead, give that a press. And then from here, what you're going to want to do, you can see options here which says portfolio and discover. You want to go ahead and press on to discover. So you can see Bitcoin is showing up as I have recently viewed this. If you can't see this here, you can use the search box at the top. And what you can do is just go ahead and press Bitcoin. And you can see Bitcoin's going to come up, so you can press onto Bitcoin from here. Now from here you can see the option to buy Bitcoin, so all you need to do is press onto the buy button, and if this is your first time purchasing crypto on Revolut, it's going to ask for some additional info. This can vary from country to country, but for myself in the UK it says to comply with UK regulations we will need some info that takes only a few minutes to provide, so you just want to press continue and then answer the questions. Once you've gone ahead and answered the questions, there's going to be two agreements, so the investor statement and the terms and conditions. You can read through these. Of course, I've already done that, and then what you want to do is press the blue accept button at the bottom. So once that's done, you'll be taken back to this screen, and again what you want to do is press onto the buy button here, and then you can choose how much Bitcoin you want to buy. So say for example I wanted to buy £20. You would put the amount into here, and then the blue review order button is going to highlight, so you can press onto review order. Now I've currently not got any money in my Revolut account, but if you do, then the review order button is going to highlight blue. So you would press onto review order. Then it's going to give you a summary of how much Bitcoin you're going to get. And all you would do is press to confirm your order, and that will go ahead and purchase Bitcoin. So that is how to buy Bitcoin on the Revolut app. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.